Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both the subject and the capture surface. Clean, dry skin yields crisper ridges. Once done, press evenly with consistent pressure to avoid smudging. Why this matters is contrast. Too light misses detail, too heavy distorts patterns. Make sure to capture the entire impression from nail base to sidewall for context. While you record, label each sample clearly so you can trace later. This initial quality determines whether downstream steps succeed or require repetition. You now analyze the print, find the core and any deltas. These anchors guide classification. Once identified, determine the pattern type by following ridge flows. Loops return toward the origin, whorl circle, arches rise then fall. Next, mark minutiae points like ridge endings and bifurcations, and measure angles relative to the core to aid matching. Make sure to document distances and orientation numerically. That precision lets you compare prints objectively, rather than relying on memory or guess. You finish by comparing your analyzed features against reference prints. Tally matching minutiae and check alignment. A higher count and consistent angles increases confidence. If patterns are unclear, recapture the finger at varied pressure and angle, clean the skin and try a fresh scan. Inconsistent prints usually mean capture error, not biological change. Once satisfied, record your decision and a confidence score and include examiner initials. This creates an auditable trail and helps others evaluate or reproduce your conclusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.